Yeah, man. Homeboy, Little Beauty Salon, man. You know? Yeah, man.
What I'm gonna do though?
Yeah, man,
I'm gonna turn this pot right here to a barber shop.
Yeah, man,
Put like 5 barber chairs right here.
Okay. Slick 50.
Slick in the eye.
Yes,
Slick in the eye.
Slick 50, you done seen it before.
Yeah, y'all done seen it before. Y'all know what it is, too. Y'all know what it is.
So when you see him coming, you better
coming,
lock your doors.
Lock your doors.
You know what it is.
You know what it is.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, this the owner right here.
Yeah,
The
that's
CEO and the owner right here.
T-Bird, you know what
He
I'm
don't
saying?
smile at nothing.
Back to Slick 50, Slick
man-
Substance
he-
on the man, you know that'd be me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what it is.
I buy you too. I don't want to be on it. I want to own it.
Yeah, that's how we do.
Yeah,
That's how we do, you know what I'm saying? LBC, we in Tori's famous, beauty salon, you know what I'm saying? Right now today, it's kind of closed, but, just catch us tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? We'll be all good. Number females, loaded, come through, get your hair done, bring your girl, all that. Barbershop gonna be open, everything. We gonna do it like that, you know what I'm saying? Come on, we out here. Don't put it on Mars. Let's put it on Spice One. Now do your thing.
Yeah, you know what it is. Just me. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I'm the designer behind all you. You've seen it before now.
Y'all seen it before?
You know what it is?
Y'all know what it is?
You know what I'm saying? Video part 2.
Yeah, part 2.
You've seen it before now.
Yeah, right.
Huh?
Yeah, man.
Better known that 315. You know what I'm talking about?
315 in the eye.
You know what I'm talking
In the
about?
eye.
You've seen it before now.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Liberty City Finest.
That's right.
Liberty City, Georgia.
What you guys say about T-Bird?
Liberty
T-Bird?
City, Georgia.
I just want shit.
You know what I mean? Yes, sir.
Yeah, y'all know what it is.
Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is.
Yeah, right. Know
Okay.
what it is.
Yeah, man.
That's it.
Yeah, man. Y'all know, man. Yeah, man. Taking a long, slow walk back, man.
Okay.
Fresh out, man.
Yeah,
Don't know how to act, man, when you come home, man. Especially, man, you done did 18, man. You know what I'm talking about, man? 18, man. Cars don't look the same no more, man. I went in with 454s and 455s. Dealt the Buicks now. They got all kind of chrome all on the dashboard, man. Marble all on the handles and all, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You don't put the seatbelt on to go to talking to you, I ain't used to all that, man. You know what I mean?